Making a customer-facing web application such as website is not that hard. However, it does require a lot of small components to work together. Graphics, logo, website, apps, digital marketing, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, content generation, your payroll, accounting, AGR production support. It's a lot, right? We create simple one-page website to complex e-commerce website. We provide digital content as when you need. We build attractive front end to bring more traffic. We have more one back and where your customer can order. See their past transaction without solution. We have scale up your IT infrastructure as and when your business grows. We manage your social media. We generate business lead from your social media. What are you waiting for? Then let's make your dream come true. Call us today for your free consultations.